Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem or this error message from your NVIDIA application. So to fix that, simply hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Device Manager. Hit enter, it will open this window. You have to find the display adapters and click on the drop down menu. Find your graphics card. For instance, I'm using RTX 2060, so it's showing here. So click that, right click, and then click on Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. Now from here you'll be able to see the driver of your NVIDIA GeForce or any other graphics card that you're using on your PC or your laptop. Simply click on Next to install the driver. Once installed, then check by launching NVIDIA application if the problem is fixed or not. But if you're still facing the same issue, then what you can do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Add or Remove Program. On the search bar on the top, you have to type in NVIDIA. You'll find NVIDIA application. Click on the three dotted button, click on Uninstall, and simply click on Uninstall once again. Now it will ask you, do you want to uninstall NVIDIA application? Simply hit Uninstall to uninstall it completely from your PC. Now to reinstall NVIDIA application, what you have to do is head over to your web browser. Click on the top search result and then click on Download Now. It will download an exe file on your PC. Once downloaded, all you have to do is launch the exe file and then NVIDIA application will reinstall on your PC. And that's simply how you can fix the error message there was a problem with NVIDIA application on your PC or your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.